Look at that sunset.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here.
I could stay here forever.
It is, especially with you here.
You two are so cute. Roop.
Thanks. What's water?
Yes, please. Don't leave Hawaii.
I can't keep my eyes off you.
Let's dance. Begging you to stay. Leave Hawaii. The fish is delicious. Please, Becky, don't go.